Chenro mar gero osiptal maduong' ma Londiani oyudo sir tok bengi mar African Development Bank kaachiel gi tend kaonti no bedo gi romo mar neno kaka gedo mar osiptal no biro chakore. Kano wuoyo e kinde mane gitimo limbe kama osiptal no magedo mare biro muonyo omenda maromo bilion 8, jatend migawo mar omenda e kaonti ma Kericho Jackson Rop olero ni winjruok ochiegni chop gi bengi no mar pinje Afrika ka ogirimiti ibiro chwe kogno kuom thuolo machuok mabiro. Ma en achiel kuom dongruok ma kaonti ma Kericho timo ka gedo mar osiptal no biro kelo fungruok ne jodak ma Londiani gi alwora mare.
They just wanted to see identification of land, whether the land is there. And whether the land has any encumbrances. Are we going to evacuate some people? Are there any structures that we are going to demolish? Or what are the challenges that the land could be having? They have seen it for themselves, that this is a plain land, it has no encumbrances, it is 100 acres, it has been set aside for the Kericho County government to use as a PI land, and the title is being processed currently at the national headquarters.
Leo asubuhi tumeenda Kericho, tumekutana na wageni kutoka African Development Bank na wamekuja mpaka site, wametuhakikishia kwamba pesa iko tayari na hao pia wako tayari na hii project itaanza wakati wowote sasa.
Hata kushukuru viongozi wote ambao wamehusika kwa hii project, wakiongozwa na wazee wetu Council of Elders ambao wanatoka Kipkelion West na Kipkelion East ambao wamesimama kidete kuhakikisha kuwa hii project imekuwa hapa. Na mambo yote tumejionea, watu wameongea na tumekubaliana kwa kauli moja project ianze.